BMW R1300RS. Yeah, great acceleration. It has so much power and especially it has so much torque. Yeah, and always at the launch I had a lot of wheel spin. It was always searching for grip, but the 0 to 100 was not so bad, I would say. Yeah, and the quick shifter working well, except while shifting from 5th to 6th gear. Yeah, sometimes it got stuck in 5th. That's sad. Because I'm used to the quick shifter that it's working so well at the BMW. But today I had little problems, so maybe BMW can check this. Yeah, very nice 100 to 200. It really makes fun shifting through the gears with that power. Yeah, pretty good top speed for a BMW Boxer engine. 250, that's very fast. Yeah, it's way faster than the previous model. And maybe it could go a little bit faster because, yeah, top speed, it's at pretty high revs and yeah, way above the rev with the power peak. But it's still good. Yeah, of course it has a great roll on due to this big amount of torque. Yeah, the new R1300 is, yeah, the engine is so great. Already the previous model, the R1250, the first model with the shift cam, it was such a great engine, but now it's even better. Yeah, also at lower revs, it's so nice. Just shaking at first, but then it's pulling so much forward. So have fun and ride safe.